Come today in front of me Nokia X20 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and as can you see I can unlock the device with my face right now. And now I'll just show you 5 tries to unlock the device with the face recognition to show you how fast this feature works on our Nokia X20. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position, as can you see. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast here. I can just unlock the device less than in 1 second. Before the device unlock, you can see all of the notifications here, and after that, when you just unlock the device, you can also here change the settings to I'll show you just to stay on the lock screen, or also you can skip lock screen just directly. So now as can you see, we just unlock the device, but we should to swipe just to unlock. But you can also enable this feature, and when you unlock the device with your face, you will directly swipe your device lock screen. So that's it. As can you see, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.